Right, let's replace the DC jack on this Acer. This is an Acer A515-43R19L. Alright, let's take these screws out. Put them in my handy dandy, easy to get to for additional or down the road stuff. Alright, let's start with popping the back. I got the DC jack in today. Sit right there. Let's go ahead and disassemble this guy and get that DC jack replaced. I just did one of these not that long ago that had a bad battery. I mean, this battery was so bad that it was protruding off the back. I hate these screws that stick. Anyway. All the screws out. DC jack is right there. So the complaint from the customer is that it's intermittent. Let's go ahead and disconnect this battery. Intermittent in the sense that sometimes it connects, or sometimes it charges the battery, and sometimes it doesn't. So that means that it's just a bad DC jack, just wear and tear. Okay, you can actually see that it is worn, that's for sure. Yep, new one looks better. Alright, nothing that holds that in other than gravity. So, believe it or not, that's it. We got to put the battery, just reconnect the battery. Ooh. Right. Battery's probably dead. Oh, look at that. It turns on. Obviously, we need to test the DC jack, but at least we know the battery's good. It does turn on. Most likely that DC jack is good. So, alright, that's it. That was a Acer Aspire 5. Acer Aspire 5. A515-43-R19L. See you later.